Look, these are my capsicums grown from the seeds. There is a so much bigger size. These are all 5-6 plants from the store, 5-6 plants from the seeds. I just picked up one big capsicum from the market and took out the seeds and then grew these capsicums. You can have a look. This is my backyard veggie garden, and these are so big one. You can see here, so big one capsicums, and they are so beautiful. You can see here so many fruit, so beautiful.